Tired of juggling between Asana and your time tracker? This video will show you how to seamlessly integrate Clockify with Asana in under 90 seconds, making time tracking effortless and boosting your project management game. First, you will need to ensure you have accounts with both Clockify and Asana. If you don't, sign up for free on their respective websites. Now, let's get started with the integration. Open your Clockify workspace in your web browser. Click on the integrations link, usually found in the sidebar menu or at the top of your workspace. If you do not see it, check your workspace settings to make sure you have integrations enabled. You will be directed to the integrations page here. Find the Asana integration. It's often displayed with the Asana logo. Click the Enable or Connect button next to the Asana integration. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to authorize Clockify to access your Asana account. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. You might be asked to log into your Asana account if you're not already logged in. Now, open Asana and navigate to any project or task. You should now see a Clockify timer button within each Asana task. This button is usually located next to the task name or in the task details section. If you do not see the timer button, refresh your Asana page. Click the Clockify timer button to start tracking time directly within the Asana task. The task name will automatically be populated in Clockify as the project description. All the time you track from Asana will automatically sync to your Clockify workspace. You can then use Clockify's reporting features to analyze time spent on different Asana projects and tasks. This data helps you with project visibility, resource allocation, and accurate time tracking.